So here is a WordPress WooCommerce tutorial for beginners. So WordPress is a content management system or CMS for building websites, while WooCommerce is a plugin that turns a WordPress site into an online store. So if you want to start using WordPress or WooCommerce, just go ahead and click on my link down in the description. So here on the pricing section of WooCommerce, you will get to see multiple plans that you can choose from. Just go through the available options and choose the one that you want. You can compare the features and choose the one that you like. You will get to see all the offerings right here and also their differences. And now let's go ahead and click on Login on the top right. And after logging in, you will get to see this dashboard right here. So I got this message to renew my plan. And for now, I will hide this. Now if you scroll down, you will get this section that says Own a Domain, Build a Site. And if you scroll down further, you will get to see some more information. And here on the left panel, you will get to see all the available options that you will need. So click on Add New Site on the bottom left corner. So here on this page, if you scroll down, you will get to see all the available domain names under your company name. Now let's go back to home, and on the left panel, you have Stats. Here, you will get to see all the statistics of your website. And as you can see on the top, they have all the metrics that you can check out. And also, there is a chart. Now if you scroll down further, you will get to see a lot of other information, like emails, clicks, and all that is necessary. And on the left panel, click on Upgrade, and you can select plans, add-ons, and other options. And here, on My Mailboxes, you will get to see all of your emails. You can also get a custom email address. Now, let's click on Posts. Here, you can see your post status. And below it, you have all of your posts. After that, click on Categories. Here, if you click on Add New Category, you will get to see this pop up. Here, just type in all the information and click on Add. And then you have tags. Here, you can click on Add New Tag and put in the information, then click on Add. After that, we have Media. On the Media section, you will get to see all of your media right here. You can also click on Add New or put in a media URL. Also, you got images, documents, videos, and audio on the top. So, click on Add New and you can select an image and click on Open. And as you can see, the media is being uploaded. Now you can use it wherever you want. Then we have Pages on the left panel. Here, click on Pages and you will get to see all of your available pages right here. You can also see the status on the top and click on Add New Page to add a new page. So after clicking on it, wait for a few moments. After that, you will get to see this section. This is where you will get to see all the available templates that you can choose from. So after you click on one, you will get to see something like this. From here, you can edit any of the elements from this section. And after that, on the right panel, you will get to see a lot of other options to choose from, like text, background, etc. You can select the color for your text. Just select the text that you want and type in the replacement text just like this. And after making all the changes, click on Publish on the top right corner to publish your page. Now, let's go back to the previous page. Now, let's go over to Comments on the left panel. And this is where you will be able to view all the comments on your store. You can see the status like Pending, Approved, Spam, and Trash. Then click on Feedback. And this is where you can see the feedbacks from your customers or audiences. You can also use the filter features in order to filter the feedbacks. Then we have Jetpack. And this is the section where you can view all of the activities on your site. And then we have WooCommerce. Click on it and you will get to see the option to start a new store or learn more. Then click on Appearance, and as you can see, there are a lot of themes that you can choose from. You can click on My Themes, then you have Recommended, and also a lot more options. And if you click on More on the far right, you will see more options. So here, just scroll through the available themes and choose whichever one that you like. So I will click on this one. And once it loads up, you will get to see all the information about this theme. Now, let's go back to themes. Now, let's find something that looks a bit friendlier. So let's go with this one. And once you click on it, all the elements will load up. Click on Activate this design if you want to start using it. Then click on Activate More. After that, you need to wait for a while for it to get activated. And while it's getting done, you can click on Preview Demo Site right here. So as you can see, we now have the option to customize site. Click on it. Then, you will be redirected to WordPress editor site. So wait for it to load up. And as you can see, we are now on the theme. You can just scroll through and select whichever part you want to edit. So click on it and then select Continue. Now, I will go ahead and click on this image. And after that, on the right panel, you will get to see some options for the image. You have Settings and then Advanced. If you click on Advanced, you will get to see additional options. Also, you can customize the styles. After that, let's move on to the main body of the site. And as I said before, you can edit any part of the site. So, let's go ahead and change some text. I will select the entire text and then you can type in whatever that you want. And for example, I'm typing in "Thank you so much." This way, you can put in anything that you like. And once you're done here, you can look over to the right panel. And here, you can see options like size for your text. You can set your size and then also the line height. So, go through the options and adjust them according to your preference. And as you can see, it's being adjusted in real time. Then, if you scroll down further, you have options like border and radius. And further down, you have attributes and then you have advanced. Here, you can see multiple other options. And once you're done making all the changes, click on Save on the top right. Now, we will head back to the WordPress dashboard. And here on the left panel, you have plugins. So click on Plugins and scroll through to find any plugin that you want to add. And as you can see, they have tons of plugins to choose from. So for now, let's go ahead and click on Facebook. So as you can see, it says Metapixel for WordPress. Just click on Upgrade and Activate. In order to activate to this plugin, you need your WordPress subscription. After that, we have Users on the left panel. Here, you'll be able to see all your marketing and integrations. So scroll through and you'll get to see options like WordPress, Monetize Your Site, Fiverr Logo Maker, Hire an SEO Expert, and a lot more. Then we have Settings on the left panel. Now, let's go ahead and click on My Home. So these were all the functions and features that you would need in order to use WordPress WooCommerce.